Every fucking morning. There it fucking is. You wait. Now he's gonna fucking fly away. Look at me. There it fucking goes. Oh, you little prick. There you go, there. Fucking I hope you fucking back. Don't you fucking worry. Every fucking time I wake up at like 5:30 a.m. because this bird comes to my window and pecks at it until I open up the window, and then it fucks right off for about 13 seconds and comes back and does it again for like half an hour. It's one of those little mangy other bird killing fuckers. Used to be a magpie did it. Now it's like copying it. I don't know why birds are fucking with me.